Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best Shark vacuums available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Shark IZ462H Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum. In our search for the greatest Shark vacuum, and best vacuum overall, the Shark Vertex Duo Clean Power Fins Cordless Stick Vacuum came out on top. It has a storage-friendly handle, strong suction on all surfaces, and generally silent operation. It provides the strength you need to leave your carpets thoroughly cleaned and your hardwood floors shining, as we discovered in the lab. A flexible wand on the Shark vacuum, however, is a true game changer for getting under furniture. Considering that Shark developed this vacuum with a hinge that extends the reach of the floor head, you can stop neglecting the dust bunnies under your sofa. Additionally, the Shark Vertex series floor head has 2 rollers and one of them has sticky rubber fins to keep touch with the floor. At number 2 is the Shark NV360 Navigator Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum is a good option if you want a simple but well-liked vacuum that won't break the budget. This type is less expensive than others but has less vacuum features. It was constructed and ready for use in less than 5 minutes, earning it a 5-star rating from our testing team. Its maneuverability received a 4.5-star rating. With this choice at your side, you won't need to be concerned about running out of battery life because it is a corded, upright model. The lift-away canister is helpful for reaching places that are difficult to reach, and the 25-foot rope provides plenty of reach. The canister was best used from the ground, according to our tester. At number 3 on our list is the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum. However, a good stick vacuum should not always be light duty. Our tester was impressed by the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum's mobility and powerful suction on all types of flooring. It received a 4 out of 5-star rating for maneuverability since it needed assistance moving from a hard surface to a rug. However, when faced with the living room obstacle course, the stick vacuum demonstrated its agility and adaptability. Overall, because the vacuum is not battery operated, it has proven to be a fantastic cleaning partner. It received a 4.5-star rating for efficacy after picking up all the items on the low-pile carpet with ease. However, points were deducted since it struggled a little on the high-pile rug and had trouble crossing the hardwood floor. Moving up at number 4 is the Shark VM252 VACMOP Pro Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum. With a multi-purpose vacuum like the Shark VACMOP, you can collect dry material and spruce up your hard floors. It glides smoothly on all of them and is made to be used on sealed hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. Its body incorporates a tank for the Shark cleaning solution that is included with your purchase. It was mentioned as being extremely lightweight and a suitable choice for people with limited mobility or small places. Although it makes mopping floors simpler, keep in mind that this wet-dry vacuum function requires you to keep the power button depressed. A strategically located button on the handle makes it simple to spritz cleaning solution into your floor, but you might find yourself frequently refilling the solution. At number 5 is the Shark WV201 WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum. The Shark WANDVAC Cordless Handheld Vacuum is the lightest member of the Shark vacuum family, weighing only 1.4 pounds. But despite its compactness, it has strong suction for cleaning up smaller messes. The vacuum was tested in the real world using pet hair, crumbs, dust, and debris by the Spruce's home product tester, even though we didn't test this choice in the lab. A high-speed brushless motor and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery power this handheld vacuum. The fact that it only lasts for 10 minutes before needing a recharge was one of the main drawbacks for our product tester. It's obvious that it's intended for short cleanups like sweeping up cereal crumbs off car seats or scooping up spilled milk. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.